It's AumSum time!
What if our bank balance became zero? You are kidding, right? Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our bank balance became zero, shopping will be a thing of the past. Secondly, if our bank balance became zero, no more online food ordering. We may have to do our own cooking. Thirdly, if our bank balance became zero, no more fancy cars. We may have to get used to walking long distances. Lastly, if our bank balance became zero, no more fancy clothes. We may have to get used to old. What if we convert into a laptop? Great! AumSum works very hard. Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we convert into a laptop, workaholics will be super happy about this. Secondly, laptops are not water resistant. If we convert into a laptop, water spillage may cause us to malfunction. Thirdly, laptops can get hacked. If we convert into a laptop, even we might get hacked. We might start behaving strangely after that. Fourthly, laptop batteries last only for a few hours. If we convert into a laptop, our battery may run out soon. Lastly, laptops are expensive. If we convert into a laptop, thieves may grab us and take off. What if we converted into a dragon? Dragons don't exist! Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we converted into a dragon, then even we may start breathing fire. Secondly, if we converted into a dragon, we may suddenly start flying. Thirdly, if we converted into a dragon, even wild animals may start taking our pics. Lastly, if we converted into a dragon, some people may start taking selfies with us. What if we convert into a statue? Awesome! AumSum loves being a statue. Oh, AumSum. Firstly, statues do not move. If we convert into a statue, even we may not be able to move anymore. Secondly, some statues are huge in size. If we convert into a statue, we may not fit inside our own house. Thirdly, some statues are extremely famous. If we convert into a famous statue, then tourists may never leave us alone. Lastly, if we convert into a statue, some wives may get very happy. Now their husbands will have no option but to listen to them all day long. What if we convert into an air conditioner? Awesome! AumSum loves cold air. Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we convert into an air conditioner, people may stick us to a wall and start enjoying our cool air. Secondly, air conditioners are in hot demand during summers. If we convert into an air conditioner, we may start getting pulled from all sides. Thirdly, air conditioners are of no use in cold areas. If we convert into an air conditioner, we may get discarded very soon. Fourthly, air conditioners often suffer from water leakages. If we convert into an air conditioner, even we may start suffering from water leakages. Lastly, if we convert into an air conditioner, our electricity bill may skyrocket. What if we convert into shoes? No need. AumSum has so many shoes. Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we convert into shoes, people may actually start wearing us. Secondly, people keep on replacing their shoes. If we convert into shoes, even we may get replaced very soon. Thirdly, shoes get dirty very soon. If we convert into shoes, people who love cleanliness will not be happy about this. Lastly, some people love to collect shoes. If we convert into shoes, they may throw away all of them. What if we converted into a bicycle?
Cool. AumSum loves riding a bicycle.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we converted into a bicycle, we may not be able to balance ourselves. We may keep on falling down. Secondly, if we converted into a bicycle, people may start taking us for a ride. Thirdly, some roads have a lot of potholes. If we converted into a bicycle, we may have to undergo a very bumpy ride. Lastly, if we converted into a bicycle, now nobody will be able to stop us from winning a marathon. What if we convert into a dustbin?
That would be so funny.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we convert into a dustbin, people may start throwing garbage inside of us. Secondly, rats love dustbins. If we convert into a dustbin, rats will never leave us alone. Thirdly, dustbins usually smell a lot. If we convert into a dustbin, even we may start smelling a lot. Lastly, some people love to remain messy. If we convert into a dustbin, they may now change their habits. What if we convert into a door?
You are kidding me, right?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, some old wooden doors break very easily. If we convert into an old wooden door, then even we may break easily. Secondly, if we convert into a door, people may keep on ringing our doorbell. Thirdly, some doors make a lot of creaking sound. If we convert into a creaky door, our family will not be able to bear us for long. Lastly, some doors open automatically using sensors. If we convert into a sensor-operated door, then even we may start opening automatically. What if we convert into a house?
Who cares? I just bought this new house.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, some houses are super expensive. If we convert into a super expensive house, thieves may start chasing us. Secondly, a king's house is known as a palace. If we convert into a palace, we may suddenly become very famous. Thirdly, some old houses are believed to be haunted. If we convert into a haunted house, ghosts may now start roaming around us. Lastly, some houses are skyscrapers. If we convert into a skyscraper house, then we may start feeling very, very lonely out there. What if we converted into a basketball?
No big deal. AumSum can jump higher than a basketball.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, basketball bounces a lot. If we converted into a basketball, even we may start bouncing a lot. Secondly, if we converted into a basketball, people may actually start throwing us in a basketball net. Thirdly, basketballs come in a variety of colors. If we converted into a basketball, our entire family may convert into basketballs of different colors. Fourthly, basketballs can suddenly deflate after getting punctured. If we converted into a basketball, even we may suddenly deflate after getting punctured. Lastly, lots of used basketballs are discarded during basketball games. If we converted into a basketball, the same fate may await us. What if we converted into a toy?
Awesome! AumSum loves toys.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, some toys work on remote control. If we convert it into a toy, even we may be controlled by a remote control. Secondly, kids love toys. If we convert it into a toy, they may never leave us alone. Thirdly, some toys come attached with a lot of lights. If we convert it into a toy, even we may be attached with a lot of lights. Fourthly, some toys break easily. If we convert it into a toy, even we may break easily. Lastly, some toys are extremely expensive. If we convert it into a toy, thieves may grab us and take off.